When most people hear artificial intelligence, they think of ChatGPT, a chatbot that can answer questions, write essays, and talk almost like a human. But AI is much bigger than that. So, what actually is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field of computer science that focuses on building systems that can perform tasks that normally require some sort of human intelligence. These tasks can include understanding language, recognizing images, making predictions, solving problems, and making decisions. To make it simple, AI is when a machine does something that requires a human brain. This is why many tools that we use every day are powered by AI, from chatbots like ChatGPT or Claude, to voice assistants like Siri, recommendation systems, and even self driving cars. But before we continue, it's important to understand that AI is usually divided into two main categories. The first is called artificial narrow intelligence, or ANI. This is the only type of AI that exists today. ANI systems are designed to do one specific task or a small set of related tasks really well. For example, a recommendation system can suggest you videos you might like. A chatbot can generate text, and a self-driving car can analyze roads and traffic. But each of these systems is limited to what it was built for. A chatbot can't drive a car, and a self-driving car can't write you an essay. This is the key idea behind artificial narrow intelligence. The second category is called artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Unlike ANI, AGI would be capable of learning and performing many different tasks at a human level. Instead of being limited to one job, it could adapt to new situations, learn new skills, and solve problems across many different fields. In theory, AGI could manage a business, learn advanced mathematics, conduct scientific research, and solve real world problems, all using the same system. But the important thing to remember is AGI does not exist yet. It's still a research goal, and nobody has successfully built a true AGI system. So, how do engineers actually build AI systems? Let's say you want to become an AI engineer and build a system that can tell the difference between cats and dogs. You could try writing thousands of rules by hand. Maybe you could tell the computer that cats have whiskers, pointy ears, and a certain face shape. But what happens when the cat is sleeping, or facing away from the camera? Or maybe it's partially hidden. Writing every possible rule quickly becomes impossible. So instead, we take a different approach. We show the computer thousands, or even millions of examples of cats and dogs. Over time, it begins to learn the patterns that separate the two. This process is called machine learning, and it's one of the most important branches of AI, powering many of the intelligent systems that we use today. So that's AI in a nutshell. It's not magic, it's not AGI, and it's definitely not a machine that knows everything. It's a field of computer science that's actively changing the world around us every day. But AI is only part of the story. The real question is, how can a computer actually learn? This is where machine learning comes in, and that's what we will discuss in the next video.